Django import error, no module named core.management. Okay, I see plenty of these errors around. I have tried everything I know to do and have yet to figure this out. I am working on a development server running Python 2.5 and Django 1.3. Django 1.3 was installed using Python setup.py install after unpacking the tar.gz download. All works well. I seldom have the need to run manage.py, but am trying to use the new static files app and am running into problems. Okay, so I have path issue. From Django install I double-checked my site packages directory. Okay, let's check out what I have. Echo $python_path was empty, so I set it. Still no luck. Let's check what sys.path has to say. Path is there, I even created. With contents. Anyone got any clues to what is going on here? I found a symlink further up the path that was getting in the way, but no one to a new error. I also tried creating a new project to see if there were any issues there and get the same utils.version error. Side note, unode from #Django helped me a bit, set up virtualenv on same machine and got past the error, so still not sure what is up with this actual install here, but it seems to not be in the Django projects but in the Django/Python install.
As known, this was a path issue. The base of my custom packages shared a name with a directory set and a /etc/profile. The packages were in a different location, however, for the web server. So I removed the offending entries from my $pythonpath and was good to go. Thanks for the help.
If, like me, you are running your Django in a virtualenv and getting this error, look at your manage.py. The first line should define the Python executable used to run the script. This should be the path to your virtualenv's Python, but it is something wrong like /user/bin/python, which is not the same path and will use the global Python environment, and packages will be missing. Just change the path into the path to the Python executable in your virtualenv. You can also replace your shebang line with #/user/bin/env-python. This should use the proper Python environment and interpreter, provided that you activate your virtualenv first. I assume you know how to do this.
If you are in a virtualenv, you need to activate it before you can run /manage.py command. If you config work on in /bash_profile or /bashrik. Please don't edit your manage.py file, maybe works by isn't the correct way and could give you future errors.
I had the same problem because I was installing Django as a super user, thus not in my virtualenv. You should not do sudo pip install Django. Instead, install it this way.